Curb appeal is a crucial element in the value and attractiveness of any home, particularly in the highly competitive Kendall housing market. While there are many ways to improve the exterior of a home, few changes are as impactful or transformative as upgrading residential windows. New windows not only refresh the look of a home but also offer a range of practical benefits that enhance the homeowner experience. Here's how residential window upgrades can transform Kendall homes and elevate their curb appeal. Elevating aesthetic appeal. Windows are often referred to as the eyes of a home, and for good reason. They shape the character and personality of a house. By replacing outdated, damaged, or worn windows with modern designs, homeowners in Kendall can completely refresh the appearance of their property. From sleek, minimalist frames to intricate and classic designs, the right windows can blend seamlessly with any architectural style, boosting visual appeal. Modern window options offer a variety of colors, materials, and styles to suit diverse tastes. Whether you prefer traditional double-hung windows for a timeless look, expansive picture windows that invite in natural light, or contemporary casement windows with clean lines, each choice contributes to a polished exterior. Attractive windows give homes a fresh, clean, and inviting look, increasing the home's value and setting it apart from others in the neighborhood. Maximizing natural light. The benefits of new residential windows extend beyond their outward appearance. They also significantly influence the interior ambiance. Large, strategically placed windows allow natural light to flood into living spaces, creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. This influx of natural light can make rooms feel more open, spacious, and uplifting, which resonates with potential buyers or visitors. In Kendall's sunny climate, homeowners can make the most of this resource to create bright and airy interiors while showcasing attractive exteriors. By choosing high-performance glass, homeowners can also minimize harmful UV rays, protecting furniture, floors, and decor from sun damage without sacrificing natural light. Enhancing energy efficiency. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows not only transforms the appearance of a Kendall home but also provides practical, money-saving benefits. Older windows can lead to energy loss, making it difficult to maintain indoor temperatures and driving up utility bills. Modern replacement windows are designed with features like double or triple glazing, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames, which enhance thermal performance and reduce energy costs. Energy-efficient windows maintain a comfortable interior climate by keeping out heat in the summer and retaining warmth in the winter. This added comfort and reduced energy consumption can make the home more attractive to potential buyers, as energy savings are highly valued in today's eco-conscious market. Improving home security. Curb appeal goes beyond aesthetics. It encompasses feelings of security and comfort as well. Modern residential windows often come with advanced locking mechanisms and reinforced glass options that boost home security. Impact-resistant windows, which are popular in areas like Kendall prone to severe weather, offer an added layer of protection against break-ins and extreme weather conditions. Homebuyers and residents appreciate the peace of mind that comes with secure windows, making them a selling point that can enhance curb appeal and home value. Reducing noise pollution. Noise can be a major concern for homes located near busy streets or bustling areas of Kendall. Modern windows can provide noise reduction benefits, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Double or triple pane glass and insulated window frames significantly dampen outside noise, which is particularly valuable for families and individuals seeking tranquility. Quieter interiors combined with stylish exteriors create a holistic appeal that makes homes more inviting and valuable. Low maintenance, high impact. Outdated windows often require frequent upkeep, which can be a deterrent for potential buyers. By installing low-maintenance windows, homeowners in Kendall can reduce the time and effort needed to keep their windows looking great. Modern windows come with features such as tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning, durable weather-resistant materials, and advanced coatings that repel dirt and grime. The result is a home that not only looks pristine from the outside but also maintains its beauty with minimal effort. This combination of aesthetics and practicality makes new windows a desirable feature that boosts curb appeal. Transforming your Kendall home. In conclusion, residential windows have the power to transform the look and feel of Kendall homes. They offer a unique blend of style, energy efficiency, security, and low maintenance that enhances curb appeal and creates a lasting impression. By investing in new windows, homeowners can enjoy a more beautiful, efficient, and secure living environment while adding significant value to their property. For those looking to stand out in the Kendall market, window replacement is a powerful way to elevate both form and function, delivering the transformative impact that truly turns heads.